Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back sa ating channel. So if you're watching this video today, maybe hindi ito aksidente. Maybe there is a reason kung bakit nag-guide ka sa reading na ito. So, bago pa ako mag-shuffle ng cards, no? Sobrang kalmado pero napakalakas ng energy na nararamdaman ko. Parang ang daming nanonood niyo na pagod, emotionally, mentally, and even spiritually, no? So, some of you is something like, anong tawag dito? Some of you have been asking, Lord, Universe, what's next? Bakit parang ang daming nangyayari sa buhay ko? Am I still on the right path? So if that's you, maybe this reading is something you need to hear today. As always, this is a general timeless tarot reading, so hindi lahat ng message ay para sa lahat. Kunin mo lang kung ano ang nagre-resonate sa iyo at iwan mo ang hindi. Now, let's begin. Okay. We will get your first card. So, I have here now. Sorry. Ten of Swords. No? The very first card that came out is the Ten of Swords. So, alam nyo, maraming tao ang natatakot kapag lumalabas ang card na ito. No? Pero honestly, hindi ako natatakot dito eh. No? Kasi ang Ten of Swords is not always about pain. No? It's about the ending of pain. No? Parang sinasabi ng universe na tama na, stop na. Parang ganon. Some of you have been carrying something for a very long time. Maybe heartbreak, maybe betrayal, no? Maybe family problems, maybe financial struggles, or maybe you've been pretending to be okay kahit hindi ka na okay. No? And that's exhausting. So this card is asking you, ano bang kailangan mo nang bitawan? Kasi minsan, no, we keep on holding on to people who already let go of us, no? We keep chasing opportunities na hindi naman talaga para sa atin. We keep blaming ourselves for things that were never our fault, no? So the universe is saying, it's okay to close the chapter because not every ending is a punishment. Sometimes, it's a protection. So, here's your second card, no? Okay, I see here Prince of Swords. So, now, no, after an ending, lumalabas si Prince of Swords, no? Napakaganda ng progression. Kasi after pain, no, there comes clarity. Kasi this card is very intelligent. You know why? This is very observant, very straightforward, and some of you, no, parang gusto nyo na ng sagot. Ayaw nyo na ng mixed signals. Ayaw nyo na ng guessing game. Ayaw nyo nang mag-overthink, no? And honestly, who can blame you, di ba? No? So, this card says, before you react, understand first. Before making a decision daw, know the whole story. Huwag one-sided, no? Kasi hindi lahat ng nararamdaman natin ay facts, no? Sometimes kasi, no, our fears become louder than reality, no? So, this card reminds you na choose wisdom over assumption. Choose truth over fear, okay? So, yun. So, I have here, no, your third card. So, the universe or see the world, no? Lumalabas ang isa sa pinakamagandang card, see the world. Ito ang card ng completion, no? Success, achievement, closing one chapter, opening another. Kasi some of you, hindi nyo napapansin eh. Pero ang layo na pala ng narating nyo. Like parang last year, iba kayo. No? Mas takot, mas insecure, mas madaling sumuko. Pero ngayon, look at yourself, you're still here, di ba? Still fighting, still growing. Hindi ibig sabihin na perfect na ang buhay, no? Pero ibig sabihin din, you're becoming the person you're meant to be. So, the universe is saying, celebrate your progress. Kasi minsan, sobrang focus tayo sa destination. Nakakalimutan na nating i-appreciate ang journey. No? So, learn to appreciate. Okay. Next is this one, the Hierophant. No? Immediately, something like education, learning, no? Wisdom, spiritual growth. So, some of you, may bagong lesson na paparating sa buhay ninyo. Maybe through a mentor, maybe through work, maybe through your relationship, maybe through your own mistakes. And that's okay, no? Because life doesn't stop teaching us. We always learn and relearn, no? So the question is, are you willing to learn? Or uulitin mo ulit ang parehong lesson? Sometimes kasi, no, the blessing is not the reward. The blessing is the lesson itself. Yun. Think about it. So we have here your fifth card, si Justice or adjustment, no? Finally, may justice or adjustment, diba? So, napaka-perfect niyang ending. Because after all those lessons, no, there's balance. The universe wants balance. So, some of you have been giving too much, no? Too much love, too much effort, too much understanding, but you know, who's pouring into you? Who's pouring into you? Yes. Justice is asking, are you treating yourself fairly? Are you choosing people who choose you? Are your actions matching your dreams? Because healing starts when honesty starts. Okay? So, yun. So, we will get your, here, no, your oracle card. So, now let's see, no, kung ano ang message sa atin dito. So, okay. Friendship and union. So, I'm seeing healthy relationship. So, not just romantic, no? Friends, no? Family, community. Oo. The universe is reminding you na hindi mo kailangan gawin lahat mag-isa. Allow people who truly care about you to support you. Okay? Okay, I have here your intuition and downloads. So, ang dami sa inyo, no? Sobrang lakas ng intuition ninyo. Pero, ini-ignore ninyo. Yeah, you ignore it. You already know the answer, no? You're just waiting for someone else to confirm it. So, the universe says na trust yourself, no? Slow down. Huwag padalos-dalos. Makinig. You listen. Oh, your inner voice matters too, no? So you have to trust yourself. And this one, no? Sobrang powerful, self-acceptance. Okay, stop comparing yourself, no? Stop thinking you're behind, no? And stop believing you're not enough because you are exactly where you need to be. Okay? Growth doesn't happen because you hate yourself, no? Growth happens because you finally decide, parang, I deserve better. Parang ganon. So, yun. So we will see your your archangel, no, or your angel cards oracle again for this reading. So I have your first card here, no. Okay, the angel of glory. So I sing praise and glory to the source of all life, no. So this reminds me to celebrate the blessings are we already have, even where we're still working for we're working towards the ones we're praying for, no. So gratitude can change how we see our journey, no, parang ganun. So I also have here the angel of harmony. So I live in harmony when I am at one with the source. So kapag tahimik ang puso, no, mas malinaw ang isip mo. So harmony starts within. So when you're aligned with your values, your decisions becomes easier, no? So I have here the last one, the Archangel Michael. No? So, I stand for justice and truth. So, I love from my integrity. So, napakagandang confirmation nito ng justice card. Okay, stand in your truth. No? Protect your peace. Yes, don't be afraid to say no. No? Kasi remember, no? Being kind doesn't mean allowing people to disrespect you. Sorry, nabubulol. Oo. So, my final message here is, beautiful soul, if there's one message I want you to remember from this reading, okay, it's this. The chapter that's ending is making space for the chapter that's waiting for you. No? So don't fear the ending. Don't fear the changes. Okay? Trust that every lesson, every heartbreak, every delay has shaped you into the person you are becoming. So thank you so much for being here today. If this reading resonates with you, comment, I am ready for my next chapter. I always love reading your comments. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need this message today. So until our next reading, take care of yourself, trust your intuition, and remember, the universe isn't against you. No, sometimes it's simply preparing you for something you cannot see yet. Bye.